Hello there, we are going to talk about thickness optics major auto-align system. As we talked about before, the principle of the thickness optics measuring. Now we are going to talk about how to measure with the auto machine. The principle is just like this. The machine terminal, we have the control PC panel. This panel system, we are going to use it for setting the recipe, setting the machine parameter, or further control the equipment movement. And there is a screen, another video monitor. The video monitor is the visual image of microscope with wafer image. We use a microscope to see the wafer and transfer the visual image to this video monitor. This to let us to know and to set where we want to measure. This monitor connects to a camera of image. The camera sends the signal back to the monitor. And of course, our autofocus assembly here. Autofocus just like camera's autofocus system. Use it to let the image more clear and send back to the monitor. Now the main assembly is just like this. This is the visual white light source. It's a light source and provide the light. And the light go through the lens and go to see the subject. The subject with no light it's just the pattern. And we use the visual white light to see the subject pattern more clearly. And this image sent back to the focus assembly and sent to the camera, then finally sent to the monitor to let us to see. And we find this area we want to measure its film thickness. We can use it the stage assembly. This is the position control assembly. We use the stage assembly to move the subject to let the area we want to measure to the optics major focus area to measure it. So this visual system let us to see the wafer die according through the monitor, and we use the control system to control the stage assembly to move the subject to the major spot area. Then we push the button to measure to get the result. So the visual system and the stage assembly to let the auto align system to measure the thickness automatically. So we want to use it to measure the thickness automatically. Step A. We got to know about the thin film character. Just like the thin film material, the thin film layers, the first layer, second layer, or third layer, and its base under the thin film base material, and so on. Then we are going to set up the wafer size 6 or 8 or 12 inch, and the thin film parameter just as above this thin film character. We set into the system, and we select the measure mode, use the DUV light or UV light or visible or IR mode, and measure offset value, and so on. After set up the parameters, we are going to set up the die size and its position, and measure the area, position, and measure the points, position, and so on. We are going to show this apart next time. Okay, let's see you next time.